Hello family, welcome to my channel. So let's make gizzard stew. So I've diced my gizzard. I'm going to be washing with salt. I already washed the gizzard before and freezed it. I'm done washing it, put it into a pot and cut my onion. So I'm going to be using this my small chopper and it helps me chop my vegetables faster. Okay, so I'm going to chop it, you see it, then I'm going to transfer it into my gizzard. So I'm making this recipe for 2 persons, so it's small. So I had to add my seasoning cube and cooked. Now I did not add water into it. Now I went back to prep my vegetables. Now you can use any vegetable of choice, and the way you decide to dice it is all up to you. So I'm using red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and the orange bell peppers. I'm also using carrot and some onion. So I'm done chopping it, and next is to make my rice. So I boiled my hot water, added some salt into it, and added some oil. And I'm going to close it for it to boil. When it gets boiled, I'm going to put my rice. So this is the way I like to boil my rice, or you can use butter in place of oil. I'm going to stir, make sure everything is combined, cover and allow it to cook on medium to low heat. On another pot, I'm going to start my cooking. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of tomato paste. Remember, I'm not making so much, so I'm making small. So I'm going to stir until my tomato paste has lost its taste. Then I'm going to add my tomato, fresh grinded tomato. So I just use a bowl of tomato and some paprika, fresh one. I'm going to cover and let it cook. Now when I see that it is a little bit cooked, I'm going to stir. This is to avoid it burning, because this pot actually burns food a lot. Next, I'm going to transfer my carrot, season slightly and taste as you season, so you don't have so much salt in your dish. So when I'm done, I added carrot because carrot is the fastest, is the thickest to cook. So now my carrot was all cooked. I had to transfer my bell peppers and my onion because this one doesn't take so much time to cook, and in fact you can actually eat it raw. So when I was done adding it, I added my fried gizzard and my plantain into the dish. So I already fried my plantain and my gizzard. So when I was done, I tasted and voila, I knew it was ready. So I had to put a little bit of salt to amplify that flavor more, and voila, it is ready. Did you see it? It's looking so colorful and it tastes amazing. It tastes so great that you would love to eat and eat and eat and eat again. If you've not tasted gizzard sauce, please try and do that. You would enjoy it. And my rice and my dish was ready at this time. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more recipes. On this channel, we share how to make homemade recipes, okay? The easiest way. Thank you so much for staying with me. I love you and see you in my next recipe. Bye.